Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best tap and die sets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tap and die sets that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the NEIKO Premium Tap and Die Set. Titanium is a tough metal, and the NEIKO 40-piece Say Tap and Hexagon Die Set takes full advantage of its properties to cut or repair threads on bolts, screws, and more. Each cutting component is constructed with high-strength GCR15 alloy steel and uses a titanium coating to give it extra bite and durability. Easier thread items made of carbon steel, cast iron, brass, or aluminum with both coarse and fine thread taps and dies. This set includes 16 fine and coarse thread taps and dies, an NPT tap, an NPT die, 2 tap wrenches, an adjustable die wrench, a screwdriver, and a screw pitch guide. The NEIKO 40-piece Say Tap and Hexagon Die Set can fix or create threads from size 4 to 40 up to 1/2 - 13. Of course, it is limited to Say sizes only, which can be a pain for a mechanic who specializes in import vehicles. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tecton 7559 Tap and Die Set. This is one of the finest choices from Tecton. The set is made from milled alloy tool steel which has been designed to last and endure the toughest of challenges. It comes with 3 and 4 plug taps and dies. These are for use with hand-threaded applications. It has various sets of taps and dies in the kit, including taps and dies that are easily started due to their tapered coarse and fine edges. These will also prevent you from over-threading. It comes with a durable, tightly sealed carry case. The individual sleeves in the case are for placement of each part to keep the set neatly organized, easy to carry and transport. You can thread PVC with it, but threading pipe is not possible, unfortunately. This is a fine product for a first-time tap and dies kit. It has the potential to be added to, as parts are usually readily available on the internet. The product does, however, have a few minor flaws, such as some of the handles may be a bit finicky. But it is perfect for the milder duty tasks than the heavy-duty ones. They are great for around the house, garden, and garage. At number 3, we have the Gearwrench 114 PC Ratcheting Tap and Die Set. This Gearwrench 82812 is 114 pieces of value for money. It has fixtures for nearly every threading possible. With all the various bits that go with this incredible set, you are sure to have what you need on hand when you need it. This 114-piece carbon steel tap and die kit is durable, and it comes with all the patented Gearwrench gadgets, warranties, and adapters. There is a durable blow-molded case to keep the 40 pieces of the tap and die kit neatly sorted in place. This makes your tools organized, easy to find and carry. The twist lock is ideal for tight spaces as it cuts down on the back walk of the die guide. With a 5-degree ratcheting arc, the reversible lever and superior grips help cut back on hand-over-hand turning. The handles are equipped with auto-locking handles that safely enable the removal of tap adapters. The carry case is a durable blow-molded case designed with a sleeve to fit every one of the 114 bits. The case is easy to pack and carry to wherever you need to take it. This is an excellent product by Gearwrench that comes with a manufacturer warranty. Gearwrench has proven to be quite a competitor in the ever-growing tooling industry. With tap and die sets being no exception to that rule. Their products are made out of high-end carbon steel that is built to last and endure heavy-duty use. They seem to take their product's reputation seriously and are more than happy to help with any questions. At number 2, we have the best choice 40-piece tap and die set. This is not an excellent choice for wood but is definitely good for such metals as brass, copper, cast iron, stainless steel, and more. This 40-piece kit is excellent value for money with its excellent cutting performance of teeth cut to precision by a CNC machine. They are then heat-treated to 60 HRC, Rockwell hardness. This is the temperature that gives the desired results for these tools. The design has tapered coarse taps and dies for both coarse and fine settings. The kit includes all the popular devices and accessories. This makes it versatile with a wide variety base. You can even try rethreading bolts and holes with this choice. The tools are made from a strong and durable industrial-grade GCR15 bearing steel construction. This means that your tools are going to endure all the work and knocks they will take in their heavy-duty carry case. The heavy-duty carry case is smartly designed to keep all the bits inside sorted into their own neat compact. This is one product to look into should you be looking for a cheaper option. This is a high-quality tap and die set for sale. Most of the reviews of this product are rated 5 stars. That is a lot of customer satisfaction with this kit. There are also comments on the helpful service when there was a problem and how quickly they got the problem solved. It is not the biggest of kits, but it is a decent size and has most of what you need in it. And finally at number 1, we have the Gearwrench 75PC, Ratcheting Tap and Die Set. This kit is one of the best tap and die sets for the money. Its 75% carbon steel tools are strong, durable and it comes with a Gear T-wrench plus adapters. The case is blow molded so it will not bread easily but store various tape measures. This keeps all of your important accessories for your kit in one place. The patented twist lock guide system keeps the dies nicely in place and centered for cutting. The system also cuts down on walk back of the guide. The handles have auto-locking features that facilitate the safe removal of tap adapters. The product also has a Gearwrench lifetime warranty. This warranty covers materials and workmanship. Hex shapes, as well as round shapes, can be worked on by the die adapter. The pass-through ratchet along with the socket and its accessories work with the die adapter. The large tap adapter has quick release, thanks to the spring-loaded cap that machinists find so much useful. This is simply the best tap and die set you'll find today. Because of the 5 degrees ratcheting arc with a reversing lever, it is easy to turn without having to use hand-over-hand type turning. The die adapter also works on both hex or round dies. Cutting threads is easy due to the smooth back and forth movements afforded by the ratcheting handles and adapters. The set including the case is designed to last and it comes at an affordable price for a 75-unit carbon steel tap and die set. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.